Reliable. In the computer world, reliable is a word that is often overused and underdelivered. Yet, there is a computer repair and support company that is the embodiment of the word reliable, offering personalized service to dozens of local businesses just like yours. That company is Delson Computer.
The way Norm deals with his clients, the one-on-one, the attitude that he has that I'm here to help you and I want to make it easy for you, I want to make it cost efficient for you, is how I run my business.
The first time I met Norm, I was in a crisis. My computer was shutting off and I was frantic to get it back up. I had a deadline, and when I called him, he said, "I'll be there in 20 minutes." It was on a Sunday afternoon. Now, I almost fell on the floor.
It's important for me to be responsive to my customers, and as Norm, as a customer of his in the computer and repair world, he's quick to get a hold of, quick and easy to get a hold of, and again knows how busy I am, and is able to cut to the chase and find the heart of the matter and fix it.
I think all of us, whether we're running a business or trying to grow our sales or whatever we're doing in our business world, is we need to be experts in that field. And I choose Norm Delson to help me service my computer needs, because he's the expert in that field, and I don't need to learn the newest, greatest, next best software update or any. I don't even want to know about it, to be honest. I just want to be able to call someone and him tell me what I need to do, or just to handle it.
Specializing in computer and network repair and support for business and residential customers, our wealth of experience means your computer issues are solved quickly and easily.
I had a computer that died, and Norm was able to salvage all of our data, my data. It was critical and valuable.
We brought in Delson Computers, and I was able to concentrate on running my restaurant and not setting up my computer system.
Norm has the knowledge and expertise in that technological world that's elusive to me, but he talked to me in regular words.
I had a computer that was crashed, where the screens were locked up. I couldn't turn it on. Norm was over at my house within half an hour, 45 minutes. Once he was there, he assessed the situation, it was resolved, and I was back in business within an hour.
Norm Delson, owner of Delson Computer, has worked at the forefront of computer technology for more than 25 years, and his resume boasts a who's who of Fortune 100 and mom-and-pop companies alike. His experience means you're in trusted and calming hands just when you need it most.
Norm Delson actually brings a tremendous amount of experience from his background with HP, and we're certainly lucky to have him in Charleston.
When I first met Norm, I found him to be very relaxed and sincere.
I called Delson Computer because they could set up my POS system, be a local contact for support, and then grow my system to be able to include Facebook, Twitter, emails, blog stations, and really accelerate what I was able to do.
The best part about working with Norm Delson is that he's a friendly guy, tunes into what I needed. He was very calm when I was not.
I rely on Delson Computer because I know I'm not very computer savvy.
When you interact with Norm, you immediately are able to get air, whereas before, there wasn't enough air to breathe. So it's a wonderful experience just interacting with him. Never mind that he's fixing your hardware or software or whatever the problem is.
I tell my 6-year-old boy it's a complicated world, and we all can't be expert in everything. I'm an expert when it comes to turning people on to sea kayaking, and Norm's an expert when it comes to fixing my computers.
But don't think this wealth of experience comes with a high price tag. You'll be pleasantly surprised at our reasonable rates and fast turnaround, especially if you've ever been frustrated by those who overpromise and underdeliver.
Norm can explain to me, who is not tech savvy, the problems with my computer at a level that I can understand it.
If you need computer work, if your computer needs fixing, if you need software, if you need any type of answer to a question you have about your computer, You can trust that Norm knows what he's talking about, can steer you in the right direction, get you the right part, tell you what you need to do, or he can do it. And he's fast and trustworthy and a great guy.
I've dealt with the Geek Squad, and I've dealt with a number of other local computer technicians. Norm, by far, to me, is superior, not only in his knowledge, but in his personality and personalized service, and he understands the importance of your business.
I was actually shocked at the value I was getting the first time I used Norm Delson because, quite honestly, based on his experience and expertise, I thought I was going to have to pay a higher price than I was used to. But on one hand, because he came so highly recommended, I was willing to do so. But I was pleasantly surprised when that was not the case, and he came up with very valuable solutions that were, a fraction of the cost I would have paid somewhere else. So I was super happy about that.
Delson Computer. Our experience, understanding, and attention to detail makes the difference.
Norm is my computer guy. I would recommend him to the nth degree.
From day one, Delson Computers made me a priority.
Thank God for Norm Delson. I love that guy.
With Delson Computers, I know that I have a safety net.
With Norm Delson of Delson Computers, you can actually breathe again. You can take another breath.
Norm Delson is, simply put, the best computer service provider out there.
Norm gets it.
To schedule a review of your immediate needs or for emergency service, contact us through the information on your screen.